Hi guys, Girolamo Aloe here. Welcome in this today's session, just to have a question and answer with you and to talk about supply demand trading and also what happened, what there is behind Profit Me, and why I started this project and why I'm just considering this as some of the best things that I can have in this moment of my life. And what I did is just um, consider that trading now was something that for me has reached an important level for my life, an important result for my life, and particularly that now trading was for me something that I was able to make properly for the long term, and because I had consistent results, consistent trades very well, and also an account growing from the last year to now. And this is just why I'm here talking with you, because I take in consideration that now was just the time to be mentor, and there was no more the time to keep everything secret to become public. There are many people that knows me because I have just many trust. They know me from my broker, from the broker where I work in, and I have just a lot of people that follows me for many things. But I was in secret as a trader, and I decided today to be public just in November, and now I'm showing you why, what there is behind this decision and why I have this. But first I show you my trades results, my trading results. So wait a moment, I change the screen and I show you just my last trades. This. Okay, here we are. Wait a moment, I change something more. Okay, this is my Facebook group, my secret group, where I share everything and you can join every time you want. But my trades in this moment are just these. This screenshot was took just um, at 11:07 a.m. GMT, and you can see my trades today that are just this situation, and the trades are risk is just this one, the New Zealand dollar US dollar, but it is going well for the moment. Right, I hope to see it rise more, to go up more. But my best trade for the moment that I want to keep for the middle and the long term, I adjust these British pound, Australian dollar, British pound, New Zealand dollar, and because I have ambitious target for this trades, and the last one is just New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. That is a trade that I have with an higher leverage, and I expect to get a good profit in any scenario, in any situation, and. One trade that I missed just last night was just this, because unfortunately my entry point was just a few pips higher than the price that the currency had when the market opened. The market opened with a small gap up, where the price just moved up when the market opened, and it was not so high enough to hit my sell order. So now this is going down from this moment at least to cover the gap, to cover this candle. But anyway, this is an opportunity that I missed, that I lost, and I cannot risk it anymore to have a sell trade here, because if the price will come back to rise more, it will just go over my order. Statistically it will go over my order, so I'm not interested to keep this anymore. And now I can see that I can take in consideration also other opportunities, because I go and I can find, for example, the best the best losers, for example, and just I can take a look, for example, this, and I can see that this just went down again. Okay, the price touched this supply level and moved down quickly with a strong momentum, and now the market reaction, just the pack session, shows that the price has covered one half of the long tail of the tail of the previous candle. candle, and later it moved down more. So the price in this case is just rotating to go down eventually. And anyway, if the price would go up more, I would not want to have a trade here. But anyway, we were talking about the sheen behind the profit me and all the things that we had. And so wait, I'm live here now. And I made profit me because I was now able to make everybody how I do trading and how I make my profits, and they watch results me and share me and learn. That when I started this, I gains just wasn't certain about the success of Profit Me at the beginning, but anyway, I worked for this project. I invested in this project for some months, and made this project the right direction with people that was my partners, my people with me that and from my mentors I experienced it and I learned their style, their trading practice, and also their way to teach people made my project for everybody, because this is something that is just my future, my project for the future, that where I can share to everybody who want to be here, to everybody that wants to stay with me, just all my experience and all my practice, and more my way to improve, because I improve day by day to make better, because I want to have better target, more ambitious results, get more trades that can give me the best results, that I can have the best profit, and I want just to improve. I'm focused on trading because my trading is just my life, and I start this project with just with the willing to make something really great for myself and for people around me. It's not only for me, it is for me because I use this to improve myself, and but this is for everybody who want to join, because I can make great things with people. I can share with people many things. I can give to people my experience. I can give to people the opportunity to make the best. This is the watch list that I published just last night for the members. I of course joined several currency that have in Japanese yen inside, because they are just making a convergence on the demand levels, so there are good opportunities. So I discussed about this, and of course some currency with CAD inside, because with Canadian dollar, because they are just having another convergence that is just on supplies level. They are just something good. And for example, this one here that shows how the price is just going inside in the supply level of course Canadian US dollar, Canadian dollar. And I showed also this, for example, the opportunity to have several buy opportunities here that can be taken consideration if the price, of course, will move down, and so many things. I just made this project something that is for me the best way to improve myself and to share with people everything. And this project was born because I wanted it, and I had the willing to make this public, to become public, because um, because I wanted just to be able to give people what I made. Because when I was alone, when I made trade by myself, when I started to this adventure, I was completely alone, and I had a lot of difficulty, a lot of disaster, a lot of problems to go over my difficulties, my lack of experience, so it was necessary for me to find mentors and to learn better from people. And I did it. I found my mentors, I learned from them, I just follow them time by time, I study by them, and I make, because this is my business. Trading is what I love, and with trading I'm able to make money. And my trade shows you that I'm really getting something great with my trade. And this year, this 2016, is the year where I'm going to set, where I'm going to reach maybe the best target that I had, the best goal, final goal that I have set ever, that I ever set. And because my experience in the last year was able for me to make me earn enough money to make many things and to just have a growing on my account consistently, just because I have my specific plan, my specific discipline, my specific sizing plan, and everything able. And now for this new year, I left in my account more money than before, and I just started with the higher sizing and with specific plans, specific projects for my specific trading. And particularly, I just keep my focus on long-term trades, because I want to see if I can be really able to reach my large profit with large trades, because my trading practice, my trading experience in this moment is just good for this. So this is what I'm going to make, and this is what I'm going to make, and this is my main focus. I'm no more interested for other trades, or better, I'm not interested to keep my portfolio trades that are not just that don't give to me opportunities to have over to give me some hundred of pips. I have not interested to make trading for 10 pips, of course. And what I do is just be focused on my trading opportunities and on my specific things, on my just specific targets for the for the middle long term trading. And this is just interesting for me. I just take in consideration everything about trading. Everything, I mean, just the higher time frame, from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, because my main focus is just to understand the main trend in the highest time frame, that is just this available in the monthly chart, that shows me what is the main trading that is important for me to understand what is going to happen for the middle term, and what I have to work for my what kind of work I have to do with my trades. And of course, I keep my focus also on the weekly chart, because in the weekly chart I see what I can, the large profit that I can get in the middle term. For example, a sell trade from here to here. I mean, the potential to take a sell trade from the supply level, one of these supply level, going to this to this low here, making just a good trade that can give me several hundred pips, just I mean, the 8% of my trades if I invest with leverage one, and this is great because my focus is just to invest, trying to get over the 3%, over the risk reward ratio that is 3. 3 is the minimum that I can accept for a trade that is going in success. Many trades that are not going as I want, I just cut them. I cut them in profit because they give an high risk, and I'm not interested to have an high risk on my trades, of course. And they also give me not a good projection for the future of the trades that can give me just the target that I want, or better, just something that can be close to the target that I want. I just can remove trades that are not interested to are just in profit, but not so good for my trading style, for my trading practice. I just want the growing of my account. This is the trading. I explain better. The growing of my account is not enough more. That it's going always on specific. the total equity is just not the real realize it is just what I have in the balance account after that I close the trades, but the total equity is account are so able to keep my accounting growing for consistently for the long term, and this is important from this trading, from the trading style that I have, my trading practice, because I grow my account and grow it consistently because I know how to do it. And for me, the main thing for the growing is just keep the total equity always in green and always in growth. Just I want to have trades that run for me, because the reality, of course, the real reason, the real purpose, or better, I don't know how I can explain better in English. The real thing that make me able to make money is not just my specific work in trading, but just is let work the trades. I want that my trades work for me, and to make this, it is necessary that my trades run specifically going to my target, and this is something great for me. And the best way for me to learn trading. Okay, let me come back to the screen. The best way for me to make trading is just let run the trades in profit, and just using the supply demand trading for my purpose, for my target, and to get the largest and best opportunities that I have. And if you followed me on my Facebook group, you can see what kind of trades I open and I close, and you can see my results and you can see everything I get. And this is great because the transparency is fundamental for me in this moment. And is the transparency that shows you what is working for me and what is not working for me. What is not working for me can be really more important of what is working, because just I have to understand my mistakes properly, and I have to understand what is not really going properly for my trading style, because in this way I can improve, and then definitely have ambitious targets, and my ambitious targets requires that I just improve something in my tradings and lift back other things that was good for me to make trading, but that I don't want anymore. Just like make trading for 100 people interest. My focus is just in the middle, longer. Just keep focus on something that can give me a good risk reward ratio that is over 3, of course, and that can give me larger profit in large pips of profit in return, and this is something good. And what I give specifically is just have a specific sizing and make my calculation, my math, to understand better the sizing that I have to use for specific for my specific bank account, for my specific balance account in the moment where it is, because it is important for me to manage the risk, manage also the sizing. I cannot afford to have a loss that can bar my earnings. I have to just follow the parabolic growing of my account, because my account grows because I make it go up, managing the risk and managing the risk in the account. So the risk margin in the account, and also managing the growing just properly, making grow consistently, just focusing on the way that my earnings can sustain the risk that I'm going to take from my trades, or better for my account, for my risk margin risk that I have in my account. This is important. In this way, I grow my account day by day. I say year by year, and at the end of the year, I can withdraw my money. And this is what I want. I'm not here to make trading. I'm not a trader to make trades. I'm a trader to make money. It's different. Trades is not in my interest, but money is in my interest. This is why I don't have, I don't make scalping. I don't have trades for a few pips. I have only, I can just cut many trades and keep just some of them in profit that can run properly and give me my earnings at the end. This is something good for me, and this is what I want for the middle, for the long term. My trading style is just based to make work the trades for me, not to work me for my trades. It's different. Trades are just a tool to make money, but I'm not the man that work to make trades. I'm a man that let my trades work for me. This is the key for the growing of the account. And in all these practice, Profit Me is what is helping a lot. And let me show you something more before to close. What is it? Yes, this. And Profit Me is what just give me the way to make money properly, because I have my it helps to improve, and I make my lessons, and the repetition of the things that I make help me and the other people around me to make to improve themselves, just because this business is easy. It became easy when you understand the few things that are the key of the success in this business. And this is why I make profit, because profit me is the key to improve everything, time by time, studying, watching the lessons, and applying the rules, applying everything I can give, just going over any problem. And the challenge member can have the educational purpose, the educational dashboard, sorry, and I have specific topics to discuss, and everything can watch and can study and can ask questions in every time, in every way, in many ways. And just this is what I give to people. Just my effort is just show to them my my experience and my trading practice and the things that I can give. And I can just make many things for people that study with me, just because I give to them what I have, my practice and my experience. And we had homeworks, and we have also many other things. If you have questions, guys, please ask me. This is the right moment to do it. And I make my webinars and my video lessons and my all over the things that I can have. For example, this is a video lesson that you can watch, and the insight to give more details to the video lesson, with many explanation, with many things and many other things that you can read, that you can study, and you can ask. It is important to ask questions. And Profit Me is what I do for myself in this moment, and this is what I do for the people that study with me. Profit Me is just the way to learn. And I just definitely I'm very proud of this project. And if you want to join, just you can watch my latest workshop here. And the workshop, the webinar, the workshop will show you many things. I will explain you many things about me, about my story, my project, my things, my previous activities, and my working for my broker, for the broker where I was just a partner, and many other things. And this is the way to go forward. And now I'm here after so many years of trading practice. After I have seen many people that try to make money in this business go down and lose everything, and lose money also to others. With so many people that I've seen working for a broker that were so high risk trader that burned everything at the end. I've seen many things in my life experience just by trading, and many other things. And I have in this business for several years, and I know this business properly. I improved my way. I improved my way to make trading just because I found my mentors, and just because I have understood and realized what was really good for me. For my trading style, I removed any complicated things. I removed any use of abbreviation, every use of indicators, every use of or things combined with other things that make a lot of confusion, a lot of doubts to people. I just keep my trading very, very simple. I just want very simple thing for my trading style, because the simplicity in my trading works. It works very well, and this is great. So, one thing. Next Monday, January 25, I will have a free market overview webinar to talk about the market in the current situation, just to talk together about several financial instruments. And I ask you to join there. You can find my link, the link to join in my Facebook group and my fan page. Join in there, and we will spend time to discuss about a specific financial instrument, together talking, have a question answer session, and just to analyze the financial instrument properly, because in this way we can understand what's going to happen in the week ahead. And together, if you want to suggest some financial instrument to discuss in the webinar, in the next webinar, free webinar, you can just join your suggestions, add your suggestion on the Facebook group, and I will take them in consideration. I keep my focus on currencies, of course, indexes, so currencies and futures like indexes and commodities, and also ETF, and also stocks. If you want to know something about stocks, because I was a penny stocks trader, and I don't trade penny stocks anymore because Forex is easier, and Forex is just more relaxed and require less work than penny stocks trading. But anyway, if you want to suggest something to discuss in the next webinar, that will be January 25, just add your suggestion in the Facebook group. So guys, join for the webinar. You can find the link on my Facebook group, and we will talk together about the market situation, just in the current market that we will have just next Monday evening at 10 p.m. And don't worry if you are busy or if you cannot watch it live, because it will be recorded, and it will be available only for the people who subscribe to watch it. Just this. So guys, I hope that my experience can really help you, and because this year has begun really well for me. I just reached my first target. I'm just going up properly. I'm proving myself for my specific purpose that is very specific for me, and I'm just removing many other things that I did, and I expect a great year in this 2016. I'm very enthusiastic. I'm very happy for my trading practice, and I'm just going to have something great. I share with you my trades, I share with you everything. I will continue to do in this way, and I'm just making all I can to increase the transparency. Of course, I cannot give you sensible data, just the amount of money, balance account details, but anyway, I give you my trades, and my trades is something really great for you. I invest with leverage 1 generally because I have the liquidity to make it, but when I see the good opportunity, I increase my leverage, so I increase also my risk limits, and I go to invest with leverage 2 or 5 or more. But anyway, the most important thing for me is just that the trades are just going following what I'm just focusing this moment. That is just the middle and the long term. Just make trading for over the risk ratio 3, and go that can go over 100 of pips. I'm just focused to get trades that can give me over 100, 200, or 300 pips. You can see it very well. I showed you, and my last trades was really interesting, really great, and the last week was great, and I expect to get the best for the future. So guys, thank you to listen to my words. See you to the market overview webinar next Monday, and I'm happy to be here. I am a happy man because I'm just fighting to be happy, and I got everything to keep my happiness and spread my happiness everywhere. And so, thank you to listen to my words, and see you next time. Bye bye.